Yes, please.
My lord, I have a humble request, my lord, for the today, my lord.
Hmm?
For the today, I may be accommodated for item number 8, 9, and 10, my lord.
Item number
8, 8, 9, and 10, my lord.
8,
9 and
9, and
10.
10.
9, 10, my lord. Appeal against acquittal, my lord.
You are for the appellant?
Appellant.
On what ground you want the adjournment?
My lord, I have to go through the record. I have, for some difficulties, my lord, personal difficulties, I could not completely go through the my lord, case, my lord. So only one day for today, my lord. Any day next week.
Mr.
MJ Kadi.
M.J. Kadir, learned counsel, appearing for the appellant, submits that as the criminal appeals have been listed all of a sudden,
Yes.
hence he could not prepare properly and accordingly seeks a short accommodation. Prayer is not opposed. Released when?
Well, after 1 week, my lord. Any day.
Date on such and such date.
On 26th.
Online. Value.
Otherwise, how many witnesses, Mr. Lockar? Any paper book required?
I mean, consider LCL.
No, my lord. Only 4 years, my lord, on the
Not equal.
Okay.
online.
Yes,
20,
please
18,
call the
20.
list.
For orders, item number 1.
Yes.
In
Why
this
is
case, I am
this for
praying.
orders?
In this case, I am praying 2 weeks time.
But what is, why is this matter for orders today?
Steps not taken, Lordship.
Huh?
Steps not taken. Yeah.
Mr. Lockar knows more than you. It is your brief. You should know why a matter has been listed for orders. You look surprised.
Yes, my lord,
You are ready for seeking adjournment without even going through why matters are being listed for orders. You should have gone through. No fresh steps for service of notice upon the R2 has been received. If you're not interested, I'm dismissing it.
My lord, I will take his steps, my lord.
Huh?
I will take his steps, my lord. Within 3 days.
Mr.
K. Kolita.
K. Kalita, learned counsel for the petitioner, assures that fresh steps as directed earlier upon the respondent number 2 shall be taken within a period of 3 days from today. In view of the aforesaid assurance, relist after 2 weeks. Did huh? Relist after 2 weeks.
1 second, please. Item 2.
Yes, why is this matter for orders?
Your lordship, the service has been completed and respondent number 2 has appeared. They have filed the wakalatnama in criminal appeal.
You are for?
Petitioner. Appellate.
So R2 has already been, is represented now.
Name has been shown.
Wakalatnama has been filed.
Name shown also R2
Dubey.
AB.
All right, so this matter can be posted for hearing. What about TCR Aiseniki?
LCR I think not receivers.
TCR has come.
TCR not receivers.
TCR called earlier. I don't think TCR was called. So TCR would be required.
Requirers.
Heard Mr.
A.K. Gupta.
A.K. Gupta, learned counsel for the appellant, stop. Also heard Mr. P.S. Lawkor, learned APP for the state respondent, stop. It appears that the service upon respondent number 2 has been completed and learned counsel, Mr. R. Dubey, has also entered appearance on behalf of respondent number 2 by filing wakalatnama. However, today when the matter is called, despite the name of learned counsel for respondent number 2 being reflected in the cause list, there is no representation on behalf of respondent number 2. Stop. It further appears that the trial court records is yet to be called. Let the trial court records be called for through the registry of this court. Relist when? After 3 weeks.
Your lordship, in criminal leave petition 99 is also a connected matter.
Relist on such and such date, date given after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry, along with
Criminal leave petition 99 of 2018.
that
But-
is not in the list today, right?
It is on the list.
Which
But it is not
already
with
there.
the criminal appeal number 407.
It is already there in the list. What do you want?
But it is not with criminal appeal number 407.
It is with,
My lord, it is wrongly mentioned in the cause list. It is not connected with the criminal.
oh, this is not connected.
It is not connected.
It's an independent.
Independent.
All right. Mr. So-and-so Gupta, learned counsel for the appellant, further draws the attention of this court that inadvertently criminal LP stroke 99 of 2018 is shown to be connected with the instant appeal in the cause list. Stop. However, however, the same is not connected. In view of the aforesaid submission, criminal LP so and so is detagged. Is detagged.
One more thing, Your Honor, my lord, respondent is same in the criminal leave petition, 99.
Maybe, but is this matter tagged or not? Is this matter connected to the criminal appeal?
But no, sir, as per lordship, what the cause list shows lordship
It says
I'm-
in criminal appeal.
in criminal
Yeah,
lordship. And
criminal.
this appeal is also against.
On the next occasion when the respondent comes, we will see.
Not
Oh,
so
sorry.
much.
Super.
For hearing, item number 3.
Actually, PSOR clean na lage, ठीक? No, that's one. Where is petitioner?
Not present. You don't know, madam.
Mr. Biswas, it's a 2011 matter.
Yes, madam, but to my information, madam, from my side, probably somebody died. And moreover, it is a family dispute property,
Anyway,
civil
you
suit is
take-
going on.
You take instruction, latest updated instruction, if
Yes,
somebody is there.
Yes,
None appears for the petitioner on call. Mr. S.C. Biswas, Leonard, heard Mr. S.C. Biswas, Leonard counsel for respondent number,
for 1, 2,
for
3.
respondents.
Okay.
Stop. State is party. Stop. Mr. Biswas
State
submits
is
that
not
in
the
the
party.
meantime,
Up to date information I will collect.
In the meantime, there has been death
Yes.
in the, there have been death where?
At Kokrajhar.
No, whose family? Petitioner's family.
Yes, no, respondent.
There have-
Some might have died. I have
In
come.
the meantime, a few of the respondents may have died and accordingly seeks accommodation to obtain up-to-date information
Yes.
in this regard. Prayer is allowed, relist 3 weeks up. Is that
My lord, I am little handicapped also. I could not trace out the file also. my
Please take, please borrow, take a photocopy. Koi di
lord.
dibo.
With your permission, my lord, I'll take.
On second appeal. Item number 4.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Relist Monday, relist on Wednesday, date to Didiba in the, with the remark for dismissal in the order column.
9. Item number 5.
Yes.
Lordship, this item need pass over for the time being.
Why?
Senior council election another cause. Senior council election another.
Got it. Where is the FIR? Quashing of FIR.
Yes, Lordship.
Let's see if the FIR discloses a criminal offense or not. Yes, where is the FIR? Which page? Ms. Counsel, are you having a brief or not? You are not having the brief? What is that file that you have opened? Any difficulty in understanding the language the court is speaking?
Next.
Huh?
FIR is 16 number. Page
Where
number,
is that page?
page number 16.
Then why are you saying that you don't have the brief? Not 16.
10.
I think it's 23. Is Bhattacharya 23? FIR?
22 Lordship.
Then there's a typed copy.
Yes.
Read.
He's, I think, different file. He's holding different file, Lordship, not this.
Different from Lordship. Not known.
What is your name?
A Khatun.
Huh?
A Khatun.
A?
Khatun.
Khatu? A?
Khatun.
Thakur. Miss Thakur, is this some kind of a joke going on in the court? You must be having the file in your hand when you come before the court to make a mention also. You cannot be holding a wrong file and standing before the
Sorry,
court.
Lordship.
No, this is not correct. If you don't have the file, then don't open a wrong file. Just to give an impression to
No
the
idea
court that
this
you have the
case
file.
in this case, Lord.
Please don't do that. That is not right. You have a long way to go. Don't do all that, right? And if your senior is busy, then it is you who has to take the burden on yourself and go through the file. You owe a duty to the court. Yes or no? You owe a duty to the court. You are a court officer. So please don't take this lightly. This is a very noble profession. And you all are the future generation. You must maintain the decorum in court and give the minimum assistance which the court requires. Simply because your senior is busy, you cannot just rush to the court with some wrong file and seek time and walk out. It doesn't happen like that. Time is not granted merely because the lawyer asks for. It's a 2012 matter. The court also has some duty. The duty to the litigant. Isn't it? Please give your file, Ms.
Yes, sir.
Bhattacharya.
Thank you.
Please read the FIR. Don't be
Yes, sir.
nervous. Read it.
Kindly request you to take immediate action as I am submitting below. On 1st June of 2011, we were offered to be a distributor for sanitary and as Assam team Mizoram by Jivan Career Solutions Private.
Speak in front of the mic. Read.
Accordingly started our business together. We give term money as mentioned below. Rest in 5 lakhs on 3,611 as security. And 40 lakhs on 2011 and 7/7/11 and on 28/11 for supply for the goods.
Goods.
They send me sanitaries
Stationaries.
stationaries amounting to be eight
All right.
lakhs,
Amounting to so and so.
so and so from the amount of the so and so deposit before, and we had no received the rest till date and did not know anything about it. When we contacted them through telephones, they told us that they had sent already, which was not true, as we have not received it till now. We have not know anything about them. Amongst the career companies, we are unable to reach and contact them after lapse of 25 days, and comes to know that Jitu, the managing director, and Sumitra, the manager, had misappropriate our money. Those two people meet us with their sweet mouth pretending to be honest at the beginning and trusted them in our business, but we come to know that they are dishonest and misappropriate our money. Such the situation and that they are take action.
What happened after the FIR, Ms. Bhattacharya?
Lordship, while filing this petition, Lordship, notice was issued and Lordship, there is a direction to continue the Lordship investigation, Lordship. Thereafter on 2/5/2018, one report was called from Aizawl police station and report is available here, Lordship. Flag A.
Flag A.
Yes, Lordship, we start from it. Flag A.
Yes.
Next page, Lordship, report. Flag, I think Y and X and Y, Lordship.
Yes. Why?
Before the X and Y. Investigation completed, charge sheet submitted. That is reflected.
Trial is on.
That information is not there.
But what is the where are the ingredients of cheating? Merely mentioning misappropriation will not do. It appears there is a breach. Every breach is not criminal breach of trust.
That's why their main contention, I think, civil dispute.
Correct.
That was their,
Correct.
but whether in the meantime trial is concluded or not, that instruction is not with me. Perhaps they have
So
the,
whatever,
they have the instruction, perhaps
she doesn't know anything.
other. Whether convicted or acquittal, I don't know.
She doesn't know.
Lordship, please give us short time. not good.
This court is in your favor. This court is in your favor. This court is trying to help you to find out a way to quash the FIR. It's very sad that you don't even understand what is happening, what is going on. It would have been in your interest. Your senior would have congratulated you if you would have walked out of this room after getting a favorable order. But still, you don't want that. It's very sad. Please understand the seriousness of the profession. This is not some college activities going on.
The informant also appeared lawsuit in this case. Today,
He is also not there. All right. She is not interested. Her senior is not here. Informant is also not here. What is to be done? Lekha. Item number?
5.
Your name. Heard MS A. Thakur, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard MS M. Bhattacharya.
P. Bhattacharya.
Sorry, P. Bhattacharya.
Respond number 1.
Learned Counsel. You're appearing as a government counsel here.
Additional
Learned
AG.
additional senior government advocate.
Additional AG Mizoram.
Sorry. Learned additional Advocate General
Mizoram.
Mizoram for the for the state respondent.
Yes.
Stop. None appears for the private respondent stroke informant on call, despite name of the learned counsel being reflected in the cause list. It appears that pursuant to the, it appears that that during the pendency of the instant petition, comma, the charge sheet has been filed by PS number 50 dated 4/2/2012. However, the status of the trial is not available with MS so-and-so Learned Additional Advocate General. Let the status of the trial be placed before the court on the next date of listing by the office of the Learned Additional AG, Mizoram. Okay,
Yes.
and when do you want it
After 3 weeks, Lordship.
relist? 3 weeks officer, date deliver.
Yes. Obliged.
Item number 6.
None appears for the petitioner on call, heard Mr. P.S. Lawcore, Learned APP for the state. Relist Wednesday with remark for dismissal in the order column.
Item number 7.
Petitioner in person.
Yes, Your Lordship, respondent appearing petitioner in person, my lord. My lord, in this case, my lord, my senior K. Agarwal leading this case, my lord, he is coming, but he is coming, my lord, he have to conduct
He is
that case,
coming?
my lord. My lord, actually he has some difficulty, because of that he could not arrive till now, my lord. May I pay for taking the matter after some time, my lord?
Where is the person? Where is the petitioner in person for R2?
He is not appearing since long, my lord. 4-5 occasions he has not appeared.
What is this matter?
My lord, the petitioner here praying before your lordship for quashing of a complaint, my lord.
Where is the complaint?
Complaint is at page 29, my lord. Basically, grievance of the petitioner
Yes,
is,
read.
yes, your lordship. This is an application under section 190 of the Criminal Procedure Code, my lord, taking cognizance of offense and launching prosecution launching inquiry investigation under section 202 of the Criminal Procedure Code, my lord. My lord, from page number 2, my lord.
Yes,
The-
please read.
Humble petition of the complainant above them that the complainant is a permanent resident of Kanwasal, Kilpukuri, Guwahati, and by profession is a practicing lawyer at Guwahati. That the accused number 1 had removed the land documents of Kanwasal, Kilpukuri by stealing from the complainant's ancestral house at Kanwasal sometime in the month of August, September 2012, while complainant's mother was seriously ill, undergoing treatment in hospital and was not of sound mind and health. And also, while the complainant was not in the house and now forcefully and illegally withholding these documents by the accused number 1 and 2 in their house at Lem Road, Guwahati, thus depriving the complainant to exercise his right. That the complainant demanded return of this document from the accused number 1 several times, but she refuses to return this document and rather there tends the complainant to leave from his father's house, as well as threatens the complainant that she will prosecute him if he demanded return of land document of files any case against the accused number 1 and 2. That the complainant's mother, Kiran Devi, expired on 2019-2012 at the age of 84. That just 7-8 months before complainant's mother's death, the accused number 1 took away passbooks, checkbooks, etc. from the possession of the complainant's mother by inducing and playing tricks upon her while the complainant's mother was in her frail body and mind and was sufficiently old woman of 84 years of age. That the accused number 1 afterwards had removed more than 3 lakhs of rupees from the complainant's mother's account by account number State Bank of India, Kilpukuri Evening Branch, within the period between April 12th of 2012 to 22nd of October 2012 by presenting as many numbers of checks in the said account. It would be pertinent to mention that the accused number 1 had withdrawn the entire amount by forging the signature of the complainant's mother account holder over several numbers of checks. The list of checks over which forgery is suspected to have been committed is enclosed herewith, and also endorsing her name as payee while the complainant's mother was seriously ill, undergoing treatment in hospital from time to time, and was not mentally sound and had lost mental capacity to contract with the bank. That the complainant suspects involvement of bank officials of SBI Kilpukuri Evening Branch along with accused number 4 in allowing the accused number 1 to withdraw the amount. A proper scrutiny, inquiry, and investigation in this direction will disclose the offense of commission of forgery and involvement of bank officials and the commission of cheating to the complainant's mother. That the scrutiny and investigation is also necessary in connection with the complainant's deceased mother's account by the account number so and so Chenikuti branch, Guwahati, as the accused number 1 had withdrawn more than 3-4 lakhs of rupees in league with SBI Chenikuti branch from these 2 accounts by the time of complainant's mother's death, and also used to operate and withdraw the amount even after her death, in spite of the accounts declared stop at the top and close at the bottom by the bank authority following an application from the complainant's side. That the accused number 1 had embezzled more than 6-7 lakhs of rupees from the complainant's mother's Kiran Devi's account and had thus deceived depriving the complainant, his elder brother, and his unmarried sister from receiving their due amount. That the accused number 1 and 2 are now withholding the land document of complainant's deceased father with evil design of removing the complainant from his father's property and to capture the same by hook or crook, even by resorting to foul tactics. That the accused number 1 and 2 are
There's so
liar.
much allegation. How can this be quashed at this stage? What is this stage of what has happened after the cognizance?
Yes, my lord. Grievance of the petitioner is basically the taking cognizance, my lord, because, my lord, after filing this complaint and taking the initial depositions, my lord,
Then
learned
a
that-
report has been also submitted. I have seen.
yes, my lord, that as per the report, the story is completely different, my lord.
But even under the report, it appears that
As per the report, my lord, it stated that the
all
transaction.
right, we'll have it on another date.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation in the matter as the leading, as the senior counsel, Mr. K. Agarwal,
Yes, my lord.
is leading him in the matter. Who is leading him in the matter is unable to be present in the court due to personal difficulty. Having noted that the matter pertains to the year of 2017, however, unhesitantly, the prayer sought for is, the accommodation sought for is allowed, relist short date on such and
Immediate
such
March.
date. It is needless to be clarified that on the next date of listing, no further accommodation.
18th of March, you know, 18th of March.
আচ্ছা এটা কব না লাগা রিলিস্ট 18 করে দিতে
Oblige, your lordship.
এই law for appearance to DD or research. All right.